Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'll teach you how to join a meeting link on Microsoft Teams. So for example, let's say somebody has sent you a meeting link or they have sent you an email, and just go to the email and click on join meeting, or just copy the meeting link and paste it in your browser. Then just go. And after going this, you'll get this prompt saying open Microsoft Teams. Just click on open Microsoft Teams. But before that, you can check this as well. This will basically allow Microsoft Teams link to always open with Microsoft Teams app. So just click on open. Then just give it some time. It will show you your profile. It will show you the meeting with whom you have arranged. You can click on yes if it asks for mic permissions. If you want the camera, you can turn on the camera. If you want the audio to be connected, select this. If you don't want any audio, then select this. Make sure all of your speakers and headphones are properly selected. Then just click on join now, and then you will join the meeting. And there you go. And it's currently waiting for others to join. And after everybody joins, the meeting will start. And basically that is how to join a meeting on Microsoft Teams. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.